Hey, Shawnee from SpeakToBeView.com. I made a video a little while ago on the QiYi Bluetooth puzzle, and it came with some extra springs. And I've not actually used the extra springs yet, so I'm going to change them out and just let you know how they feel. Short video. Overall, the cube is extremely nice. This battery lasts hundreds and hundreds of hours. I think if I remember correctly, it said like 800 or something like that. But already the springs are quite nice. I've already lubricated this up, so it's a bit slower than it was out of the box. But the springs are supposed to be a little more controllable anyways. We're gonna look at this. I'm gonna just change each spring out. I'm afraid to take this apart, but we gotta do it for science. I'm assuming I pushed down. I don't know. I might just have to take off pieces to do it. There's a smaller ring here. Okay, I really don't feel like I need to take all these edge pieces out. So I'm gonna put them back in before I do something horrible and lose stuff. Okay, that's not budging at all with the pieces in. Taking them back out. Ah, got it. I pushed and then spun counterclockwise. Or I thought I got it. There we go. This feels like I'm not supposed to do this. How am I supposed to get that out? That's like printed on there. It doesn't feel like I pull straight. I give up. I feel like I'm gonna break this, but I don't. It's gotta be easier than this. If they give you springs, it has to be easier than what I'm doing, right? So someone please let me know. How do you change the springs? How do you get the centerpiece out? Well, I got it out, but then I couldn't figure out the next step. I need help.